Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a Father's Day card because obviously Father's Day is coming up next weekend, I believe. The 21st, is it? Nope. Yes, I think it's the 21st. I'm going to be doing a kind of monochromatic but not black and white. I'm going to be doing Kraft and black. Now I'm going to be using May stamp sets. I'm going to be using her Alpha stamp sets. Now this is the Alpha Bold and the letterboard, and I'm going to spell out Dad, so I'll be using the D, the A and the D. I'll probably be using this one on the inside, and this is more all occasions, and I'm probably going to have the Happy Father's Day stamp on the inside. May has lots of different stamp sets. This is just a few that I've dug out from my collection for Father's Day, because obviously if you have a father who's into hunting, this one here would be great for that. So this is Vinny's Faves. My father doesn't do hunting. We're not really hunters here in the UK. If your father is into cooking, then this one here would be really good for that. And this is Chef Vinny. My dad does lots of DIY and woodwork, so this is the one that I'm going to be using, and it's called Nailed It. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using VersaFine, and I'm going to ink and stamp directly onto my card base. I don't see the point in having an insert. So I mean, you could definitely, you know, have an insert, stamp on the insert and then put it on, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to stamp directly onto my card base. Okay, so I have all my images on my stamp block. Some of them I've double mounted. So I'm going to be using the VersaFine Black Onyx, and I'm going to create my background. For all of you who follow me regularly, you know that I think it's important to go on and off the page and also change the direction of your image. Okay, next I'm going to be doing some cutting of cardstock, so let me move that out of the way. As you can see, I've got a new piece of cardstock because that other one was very loved. So this is a 6x6 cardstock. Now I'm going to go into my scrap bin, and I'm going to, this is my black card scrap, and I need a piece that I can cut to go the full length of that card. I'm hoping I don't have to use another piece of card to do it. I may have to, because these are all too thin. Yep, I'm going to have to use another piece of card. Okay, so I'm going to cut a piece that is 2 inches long by 6 inches wide. No, 2 inches wide by 6 inches long. I tell you, crafters, I am so hazy is probably the best way to put it. Okay, so that's 2 inches by 6, I believe. Did I get my calculations wrong? Oh, that's 6 inches. And now I need a piece of Kraft cardstock. So let's dig around in our Kraft coloured scrap bin. And I want something that's an 1.5 inches. So let's see what this is. So this is just over 1.5 inches. So I'll cut that to 1.5 inches by 6. Okay, so let's take out the letters I need. Done this using the grid on my craft desk to help me line it up. Now you can put on here whatever you call your dad, whether that be dad, pops, papa, you know, whatever you call him, the good things that you call him. Okay, so I've got dad. Okay, let's glue this on. Oh, I think I'm gonna do double-sided tape. Let's put some foam tape on the back. I'm going to use the glitter glue to attach it to the front of the card. So this card must be slightly shy of 6 inches, so I'm just going to cut off the excess. And there we go, very simple, very easy to do. And you could also use his initials using Meme's initials, so I could even put that on there. So that's his initials, TFF. So there's that one. And you could do it for the teenagers. This is for my nephew who's doing engineering, so these images really suit him. And you have this one here, which is using another stamp set, and this has got images of the items that Paul enjoys. So again, you could use this and put their name on it, and then on the inside you could stamp using Meme stamp set. This card has your name all over it. You could type, you can stamp in the happy birthday. So they're really simple to create. And if you wanted to, like I've done here, and I think I might do that on some of these, like this one here, I've added white, and I really think it makes it pop. So you could add white to the word or the name. I just went 3 dots, or you could add white to some of the images just to highlight some of the images, and this really does make a huge difference. It's amazing what a bit of white pen can do to enhance the card. I almost forgot to stamp the inside, so before I go, I'm going to stamp in the inside Happy Father's Day. So I'm going to use happy, and then Father's Day. I'm just going to put this on my work surface to help me line it up, make sure it's straight. I can't believe I forgot that. I even ended the video, crafters, and said goodbye to you. So now I'm having to come back and edit it. I'll have to edit it so it looks like I didn't forget, but you know that I did. Okay, so happy. If you wanted to put an insert in, then please feel free to do so, but I honestly don't feel it's needed. So happy Father's Day. There we go. Nice and simple. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.